not that easy to unmount a tire from a Dakota wheel. Holy fuck. It took me 45 minutes just for this one tire. It's almost worth the $120 to get mounted and balanced at a store. Thought I'd save myself $25 for the taking off removal and mount my new tire. Some bitches were glued on there good, as you can see. And I used PB Blaster as my lubricant because soapy water doesn't work like you think. But holy fuck, that was annoying as all hell. You guys have no fucking clue. But yeah, I put a bucket and a pad that I lay down on all the time. I put that on the wheel right there. And I started with the 2 screwdrivers, pounding those in, pounding my pry bar in. Took the shovel, and when I was able to put the shovel in there, I stomped that bitch right in there like that. Then I shoved this in here for permanently, and I had to work it at least halfway. Then I was able to stand and jump on the tire, and it finally broke off the fucking wheel. Hey, you guys have no clue the struggles that some people go through just to save a measly $100. This is a video to tell you guys, do not mount your own tires at home. Especially if you don't have the right tools. I had to stack weights in the tire. I had to stand on the fucking tire. And I was messing up the bead on the tire as I was peeling it up over this. The part, I don't know, they talk about the recess part, the low part in the rim. This is supposed to be the low part. And you're supposed to shove the tire in there as you peel it over and whatnot. It don't work like that. Especially with Dodge Dakota wheels. Don't trust it. You're gonna gouge the fuck out of your wheel. You're gonna fuck the bead up to where you probably won't even get a chance to get the fucker to, what do you call it, seal to the fucking wheel. Now, the dish soap trick does not work. It sucks like a motherfucker. It's not even a good enough lubricant like everyone says it is. Dishwashing liquid, not good enough lubricant like everyone says it is. You need something to break down the tire, make it softer somehow. I don't know what to use other than I used PB Blaster, hammers, a fucking bumper jack, put it on the fucking hitch there. I didn't even record none of it because I was pissed, guys, just so you know. Pay the money. Don't save yourself $150. Pay the fucking money. 3 hours on one tire. Not to mention, to bust a bead, because it was so fucking glued on there, that wouldn't come off. Somebody had it like super glued in there. Could be from dish soap, I don't know. Or wherever they use that tire shop, but I had to sand the fucking wheel down. That took about 45 minutes. Just so it'd be smooth and no more rubber stuck to it. I suggest you guys pay the fucking money.